For more than a century, Federal Signal has been in the business of keeping people safe. Our story began in 1901 as a small electric company founded in Chicago. By 1915, we had acquired our first patent for an electrically operated siren, marking our first step in emergency warning equipment and public safety signaling. By 1940, our air raid sirens were helping to protect communities during World War II. In the decades that followed, Federal Signal has grown alongside the needs of first responders, municipalities, and industries, making sure people get the warning they need when they need it. Today, from our facility in University Park, Illinois, Federal Signal designs and manufactures emergency warning lights and sirens, industrial signaling systems, and mass notification solutions trusted by police, fire, EMS, work truck operators, industrial sites, and the communities they serve across the country and around the world. For us, it all begins with our customers and their needs.
Our customers are at the center of everything we do. They bring us real-world challenges, and our engineering team works side by side with them to create solutions that help protect workers, first responders, and communities. Our in-house engineering team has designed patented, game-changing technologies and proprietary solutions that improve performance, reduce risk, and enhance reliability in demanding environments. Working directly alongside our manufacturing team allows us to respond quickly and collaborate effectively, keeping every decision aligned with the safety and quality standards behind the Federal Signal name. And that alignment carries straight through to how we build and test our products.
Our extensive in-house and external testing capabilities ensure our product performance exceeds expectations, with two important factors. First, the close collaboration between our manufacturing and operations teams keeps quality levels high, from material selection and assembly to final inspection. Second is the fact that our skilled workforce is based right here in the U.S. This allows us to maintain direct control over critical processes and deliver reliable solutions our customers can depend on. Because for them, dependability isn't optional, it's life-saving.
Our focus is on keeping first responders, workers, and communities safe. That's it. Our customers rely on our products in critical moments, and that's not something we take lightly. Safety isn't just one of our priorities, it's at the top of the list. When a first responder or work truck operator needs their equipment to work, it has to work. Federal Signal products are built to perform when it matters the most. Safety in this moment, that's Federal Signal's strength.
Our commitment to safety extends far beyond the vehicles on the road. We also manufacture visual and audible signaling solutions for factories, offshore platforms, school campuses, and city streets. When a crisis occurs or an environment turns hazardous, workers and communities need clear communication they can depend on. And our products help ensure they receive that message. We partner with our customers on their responsibility to protect people. Our solutions are built and tested by US-based teams. They meet rigorous global safety standards, and they're designed to perform when the stakes are highest. When something goes wrong, every second counts.
From the factory floor to the emergency scene, from city streets to offshore platforms, Federal Signal has been there for 125 years, and will be there for the next call, the next shift, the next moment that matters. Safety in this moment. That's Federal Signal strength.